Welcome to the trade recap of the Euro GBP. I'll start with the analysis that was posted as a Forex watch list week 28 that was posted on my website afroswingfx.com. We were bearish on this pair. Euro GBP, we were bearish. We were targeting this liquidity level at 0.84256. And we had several entry points. We had the first entry point was a fresh order block, the one in green arrow. We had an unmitigated zone, a blue arrow. We had another unmitigated zone with a yellow arrow, and the final unmitigated zone, I usually call the conservative entry, with another blue arrow. So what happened? Let us go to the market. Remember, I am favoring the 0.865 as the entry. And as I had mentioned, we look to enter in the website. I had mentioned that once the market mitigates the supply sitting above, we will enter the market targeting the liquidity below. So let us see where we are today. Presently, allow me to go to my profile on TradingView. It's a bit easier to show you. And this is a further update. I had posted this earlier in March, and I was targeting 0.86. Then I posted this update targeting 0.84256. So let us see how the market played out. But at this point, I was talking about a retracement to this level. So let us make the assumption that this is March 16th and you had taken this trade at 0.89. And we are assuming you are working with a micro lot of 0.01. Again, I approach the market conservatively. So let us assume it's 0.89 to 0.86. You can even say 0.85. What would you have earned? So that's about 4,000 points. You would have made approximately $30 to $40 depending on your broker on this trade using a micro lot. But let us see where we are today. So the market retraced as predicted to this level. The market came down, and the market still pushed further downwards. What you're seeing is this a continuation of the bearish slide. Further continuation of the bearish slide targeting the 0.86172. So that level was taken out. The 0.86172 was taken out. The liquidity at 0.85 was taken out. So at this point, you've already banked your $30 from that one trade. Again, it still pushed further to 0.85. Pushed a bit higher. That was a bullish correction. So it has pushed back to 0.85. So this is where the market is today. 0.8505, pushing slightly higher. If I go to the charts, allow me to go to the 4-hour time frame. You're seeing this is where the market is today. So this low formed this high has formed this low. So what are we anticipating? Allow me just to zoom out. So two things could happen. Number one, there could be a retracement, then a continuation. Okay. Number two, there could be a consolidation, break of structure, retracement, then a bullish continuation targeting this liquidity seated down here. So any of these two moves could happen. But I'm still bearish on this pair, ladies and gentlemen. I'm still bearish on this pair. As I mentioned, if you had taken this trade at the 0.89 somewhere up here, you'd have banked this as $30 to $40 depending on your broker. So long-term outlook is we are hoping that this market will come downwards to this fresh order block. Allow me to just change the color. Fresh order block, or the liquidity, or even this liquidity seated down here, equal low liquidity. This liquidity down here. Long-term trend could be a break of structure targeting the fair value gap. Let me go to the monthly time frame. This pair has a huge downside potential because you see this fair value gap. and this demand zone seated down here. So this pair could come to this level. So let's just watch and see what will happen. Thank you.